Is the itch of bug bites driving you insane? Today, we're going to make a rollerball using essential oils to help to soothe and calm that irritating itch. Hi, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. To make this rollerball, you do need a rollerball. They can be any color. This is a 10 mil rollerball. You can make it a 5 mil rollerball. You just cut the oils in half. You'll need the little rollerball to go on it. This one has a steel rollerball. The glass ones are fine also. And your lid. Then we're going to take and add our oils. The first oil I'm going to use is lavender. Lavender has some antihistamine properties which are really great at calming and soothing those nasty bug bites. They help to decrease your body's response to the saliva and the numbing agents and whatever things those little pesky things left behind. Then I'm going to add, so I added 5 drops of the lavender. I'm going to add 5 drops of peppermint. Peppermint has some analgesic properties, so it helps take the sting away. It's very cooling and soothing. It also helps to drive other oils in, so it will make the lavender even more effective. We're going to add 5 drops of that. And then we're going to add 5 drops of Melaleuca or tea tree oil. Tea tree is my go-to for anything skin. It is antibacterial, it's calming, it's soothing, and it's just overall fantastic. So we add 5 drops of that. This is a very basic recipe that calms and soothes the itch of bug bites. You can add more oils if you like to add more variety. If you only have 2 of them, just use the 2. Experiment and see what works for you. But this one has worked for me well in the past. Then you want to top it off with a carrier oil of some kind. I like doTERRA's Fractionated Coconut Oil. They take the solids and the smell out of the coconut oil, leaving behind the wonderful carrier oil properties. It's very soothing to the skin without being greasy. And it doesn't go rancid very easily. So it will last. You can also use like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil or even olive oil. Those will not last quite as long, but you can use them. And if you're in an area where there's a lot of bugs, you might need this. I do recommend using a good bug repellent, and I believe I have a video for that. I will link that in the description below. So it's a good bug repellent spray. Then you simply add your little rollerball on top of that, and some of them you can just push down, some of them you can screw on with the lid, and you'll hear a couple pops as it goes on. Then you want to add a label so you know what's in it, and you're good to go. Get a bug bite, all you do is just rub it over there, and almost instantaneous results. There are a few other oils that work really well also. One that in particular is doTERRA's Purify blend. This works super well for taking the sting and the itch away, especially with bee stings. I know this from personal experience, and my husband had testified to that also. You can actually just tip it over, get a little on your finger and dab it on that spot. Or you can make a roller ball and dilute it. You can never go wrong diluting it. Just put 10 to 20 drops in a 10 mil roller ball and top it off with your carrier oil, and you're good to go. Other oils that are great just for soothing on bug bites. Roman chamomile is very calming and soothing and has some nice properties for that. Frankincense is great. It's wonderful for your skin. It's antibacterial, it's analgesic, so that will also help working with those. Basil is another oil that has some analgesic properties. It's great for sore muscles also, but it does take the sting away and also helps to soothe. It has some antibacterial properties, so we're good all around there. Mix and match until you come up with a combination that you like. Don't be afraid to try the oils. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.